California Penal Code Section 243E1 defines the crime of domestic battery. Domestic battery is when you use force or violence against an intimate partner. The law in California defines intimate partner as a current or former spouse, cohabitant, fiancé, boyfriend, girlfriend, or the other parent of your child. So if you kick, slap, push, use any sort of force or violence against an intimate partner, you can be charged with this crime. Now, California has two different statutes that address domestic violence. There's 273.5, which is a more serious one, and there's 243E1, which we're talking about, which is less serious. And I say less serious because it can only be filed as a misdemeanor, not a felony. It has a lesser maximum sentence of 6 months in jail, and it does not require the prosecutor to prove that there was a visible injury. So you may hit your girlfriend, for example, and the police come and take a report. They don't have to see a visible injury. They don't have to see a red spot or a bruise or swelling in order to charge you with this crime, unlike Penal Code 273.5. If you're convicted of domestic battery in California, most likely you're going to be put on probation for a period of 1 to 5 years. You're going to have to do a year's worth of weekly domestic violence classes. You probably have to pay some fines. You may be sentenced to jail time. And perhaps worst of all, you'll have a permanent criminal record that shows a domestic violence offense. So anytime you're charged with this crime, it's always in your interest to do everything possible to avoid conviction.